Hello everyone, this is the nickel cobalt sulfide structure that we prepared in our last video for the making of heterostructure. So let's go to file and export this structure. This is very important. Choose CIF format file, not XSD, CIF file and save it. Here is the CIF file. Now open up the previous graphene structure that we already optimized in our previous video. I will share the link that you can watch also. Here we have geometry optimized and energy optimized the graphene structure. And here is the graphene structure that we prepared. So now export this one. So come here, export and same. I will name it as graphene and save and open up a new project. I will name it as heterostructure. Click OK. Now get both of these files, drag and drop in our Material Studio project. Now these both are structures here as a separate file. So first of all, show bonds, go to display style. So this is our optimized, geometry optimized structure. This is graphene structure. Similarly, go to display style. The dimensions of your unit cell must be very close. So go to lattice parameters. So A and B direction, this direction is A and B. This is 6.6 and 6.6 here. And now go to graphene, go to lattice parameters. This is 7.3 and 7.3. It is all close to each other. So that's okay. So now select these, Control C, copy this structure and go to home view and like this, Control V. So now it is pasted here in the middle of this. So don't click anywhere. So all the atoms are selected now. So click here, navigation menu, and then bring it up, the entire structure. Keep it inside the lattice. Do not let any single atom go outside the lattice. It is very important that not a single atom is outside this lattice. Explore it carefully, view it from all directions. And the distance from the bottom structure is not important, as the CASTEP calculations will break it down and optimize it. Close it. Now go to CASTEP menu, calculation, task geometry optimization. For this tutorial, I'm going to do express settings, as we have cobalt and nickel, so transition metal, so check this TFT plus U. For this tutorial, I'm going to do non-polarized, but you have nickel and cobalt, you can choose collinear as well, so to calculate their magnetic properties as well. So for this tutorial, I will be doing non-polarized. Go to more. Here cell optimization should be none, because now we are not going to optimize our cell. We just want to relax our structure within a confined space. So choose none, cross this. Here OTFG ultra soft is best. Go to more. Custom energy cutoff 500. SCF, this is okay. Choose this value of 500. K points, could use custom K point as we are doing on Espresso. 221 is okay. Properties, we don't need to check any properties here because we are doing geometry optimization. just population analysis is okay. And job control, I will be using 8 cores here. Go to more and choose 1 second here. Okay, this calculation will take a lot of time because as it is a heterostructure and there are a lot of atoms. So it is completed now. See here, close, go open up the structure. Now you can see the distance between the structures is reduced and it is relaxed. So open up the menu. Now we do the energy optimization, don't need to change any other properties, and we will be calculating band structure and density of states. You can check other properties as well and run. Okay, it is completed now. Click OK. Let's check the convergence. So it is converged and open up the structure, go to CASTEP analysis, go to band structure and view. So this is the band structure. You can see the 0.097 electron volt. So we did our optimization and calculation at express settings. If you do it on coarse or medium or fine, you will get a very good results here. So open up structure and now click on density of states view. So this is the density of state value. So we have almost 7 density of state value at Fermi level and maximum value of around 28. That is a very good result. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.